Guys, it's Tony with Occupancy Take Pride in Your Property. Today we're going to be doing a concrete cleaning for a residential property. It's going to be a large driveway. They have a trailer parked back there, the 2-car driveway, and then also that entryway that way leading up to the front of the house. We are going to be in Riverbank, California today, which is awesome. Don't have a lot of clients out here in Riverbank, but it's always nice to get someone I can. I got this from actually a referral from a group out of Maine called BNI, Business Networking Incorporated. It's just basically a big networking company. You go to meetings I go to meetings every Thursday or Tuesday, I bet, at 7:30 in the morning. And then this guy, his name's Bobby. He was a visitor in one of our group meetings, and we got his information. He got my information and he called me out. I did solar panels yesterday. Today we're going to be doing his concrete because his wife wanted to get done. But yeah, so let's get this thing started, get done the time lapse. It's going to be a quick, easy job. Let's go.